With non-essential businesses closed, there's little to no sales tax revenue for local city governments. About 75% of the city of Anniston's revenue comes from sales tax. And the city's finance director projects that the city could lose a good percentage of that revenue because of the COVID-19 crisis. Clothing stores, restaurants, and gas stations are just a few businesses that bring in a tremendous amount of revenue for the city of Anniston. With many of those stores being closed, restaurants not getting the regular flow of business, and residents just staying home, Anniston is projected to lose up to 10% of its revenue for this year. Museums are another source of revenue that's taking a big hit economically by not being able to give school tours and rent wedding venues. Finance Director Julie Borelli projects that the city will lose more than $1.2 million for every month that non-essential businesses are being shut down.
What I've projected for the economic impact is that I think that in third for us, which is the period we're in right now, that just started actually, I think we will have lost probably 7.9%, or a little bit over $3 million of revenue from what we projected. And of course, it's just a projection. It's all we really don't know. All we can do is do the best we can, and what we think the loss will be.
Borelli adds that big businesses such as Walmart and Lowe's sales revenues have gone up by nearly 30%, but that still is not enough to make up for what the city will lose. She also says the city has decreased its expenses by temporarily laying off some of its part-time employees and working for the community centers and the Parks and Recreation Department. The city's also had to increase expenses in certain areas because of the impact that COVID-19 has had on the community.
Our fire department, and I imagine this would be the same at just about any fire department, they've had to have an increase in ordering PPE. They've had to get specialized disinfecting equipment and just investing in the continuity of service, such as fuel, food reserves, and more PPE. They have spent $30,000 last month alone on PPE. Now, we hope we get reimbursed for some of that, but we don't know for sure, and if we do, we don't know about the timing of it.
The Anniston Police Department, Public Works Department, and garbage pickup also fall under the categories that call for increased expenses. Borelli says she hopes that the stores will be opened during the fourth quarter of this fiscal year.
When that happens, we'll still lose some, so we'll probably lose about another million, a little bit over $1 million, 2.8% is what I projected. We're looking at everything as close as we can, and we're trying to decrease costs where feasible, and we're going to continue to try to evolve as we go. The main thing is we're trying to be proactive instead of reactive, so because the decisions we make now are going to affect us in fourth quarter.
Borelli expects the city's revenue to be stable again by the second quarter of the 2021 fiscal year.